we're going to take this image and make it into a 3D image where we can have the 3D effect using the red and green, red and cyan 3D glasses. So let's get started. So as you see, I already brought my image in and it's the background layer. I'm now going to make this image so that we're going to go to image adjustments and we're going to go to hue and saturation. And we're actually just going to bring the saturation all the way down. And we're going to click OK. Once we do that, on our keyboard, we want to take our background layer and leave it, but we're going to press Command J to duplicate the layer. And we're going to call this layer red. Once we do that, we want to go to our blending options on our red layer. And we want to hide our background layer, so click the eye. And on our red layer, we're just going to go to FX for blending options. And we are going to click under the channels, the green and the blue off, so that we have red. So only the red channel is showing. We're now going to be, while we're on the red layer, we're going to press Command J again. And we're going to hide the red layer. And we're going to call this layer cyan. So the new layer is going to be cyan. And if we click here and we just go to FX and blending options, we're now going to click off of the red, but we're going to click the green and the blue. And then you're going to, so only the channels green and blue will be highlighted for the cyan layer, and we're going to click OK. We're now going to go and we're going to take the eye off of the cyan, but we're going to put it on the red. And with our move tool, so if you're not on the move tool currently, so if let's say you're on another tool by accident, if you press V on your keyboard, it will bring you right to your move tool. So that's the keyboard shortcut. And what I'm going to do is with my arrows on my keyboard moving to the right, on the red layer, I'm going to move that 10 times to the right. So just click it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and now we're going to click the cyan layer. We're going to click that layer, and now I'm going to move that to the left 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once we're done that, we're going to now put the eye back on so we could see the background layer. And now you have your 3D image completed. If this is a trial and error, so you would try it out with 10 moves to the right and 10 moves to the left, then you'll try to look at your image with the 3D glasses, see how it looks, and then if you need to adjust, we can adjust it a little bit more or a little bit less depending on your image. So can't wait to see all the 3D images that you create.